Alright, I'm gonna make this little video because it seems like everybody that has these Chevy Astro vans has this problem where you don't get air coming out of the vents. It'll come out like the top vents. And research some forums, you'll find out that it's one vacuum hose. And I found it last time, and it was cracked, had a couple cracks in it, so I just put some tape on it. And that was, I don't know, probably 6+ months ago. More than that. About a year ago. And then now it's happening again, so I didn't think it'd be the same thing, but it is, because I just used cheap tape. But I think I'm going to replace it this time. Anyways, so remove the air box. This is for people that can't find that hose. So remove the air box, and then remove your this thing that goes to the air box. Put that aside. And then the hose is right here. It's usually tucked under here, way down here by the thermostat. Your thermostat's down there. See, it was resting down there. Okay, so the hose was down there. So I think it just gets so hot, it's kind of plasticky, and it just breaks. So there's the hose. See, there's my tape I used last time. So the hose just goes there, comes circles here. Right here. So that's the vacuum hose. And I figured out it goes all the way back. So you gotta take, here I'll take you around. You gotta take your engine cover off to get to the other side. Trust me, I got small hands and small arms, and I could not get to it. So it is, I can still barely get to it right now. It's way back here. Way back there. So, if you have the freaking air problem like everybody else, there's your problem. 9 out of 10 times. So I'm going to go to the hardware store, parts store, and see what I can find for a hose. Or I found a forum sometime before that had the part number. Somebody posted the part number, but I cannot seem to find that anymore. So I think this will disconnect. It looks like it'll just disconnect. Yeah, you can take that to the parts store and figure it out, I guess. Or if I find that part number, I'll throw it on the YouTube video. I'll put this on YouTube and I'll let everybody know what the part number is if you want to go to Chevy and order it. Which I think they said it's like less than $10, so might as well do it right. I don't know if it's going to be the same one because the hose is real plasticky. That's why it gets brittle and cracks. See, there's I went and bought a little section of rubber at first, and then and then taped it all up because there were some cracks there, and it keeps breaking. I don't know what is up with this thing. So I don't know if they've changed it to a rubber one or if it's still the same plasticky crap, so it's gonna break again later on in time. But mine's a 99. My van's a 99, so it's not new. So, well, there you go, people. There is your line right there, and then follow it. Like I said, I taped it up here just so it would stay above the thermostat everywhere where it's hot, because then I ran it up top of your intake instead of underneath, because I figured it'd be more hot underneath. And that's why it's getting all cracked and brittly. But It's usually, it's usually run down here, it goes under here. Just look for your thermostat, you'll see it. It crosses right over it. It's right in that area, right there, bam. Alright, I hope this helps everybody that gets frustrated, because I looked for a YouTube video of it and nothing, and had to do a lot of research, so not a lot, but whatever. Alright, I hope this helps somebody. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks.